channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new here, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and tuning in again. But we're going to be getting into this bag right here, and before we get into it, I just want to talk about the little charms I have. The little chain charm right here, this is actually from Vuitton Deluxe. If you guys want to get this chain, or they have other ones as well, you can check out the links down below, and if you guys want a little discount code, I will offer one down below as well. As always, I don't make any money off of you guys using that discount code. I genuinely love their products, and they're so nice to give me a discount code to give to you guys to save a little bit of money if you guys are interested in getting any of their products. And then also this little luggage tag right here, it's stamped with Hawaii, and that's because I got this bag in Hawaii. If you guys are going to Hawaii for a vacation or anything like that, please wait out on buying your bags until you get there, because it's so much more worth getting it there, because you get the little discount and a tax break if your state has really high tax like mine. So this is what the bag looks like inside, and if you guys are interested in a bag organizer, I actually have a brand new one by Clover Sack, and if you guys want to win it, just wait till the end of the video and we can do a little giveaway. So the first things I have here are face masks. I actually used one yesterday, so this one's opened. I like to carry these just in case I'm not going in my car, I'm going into someone else's car that might not have a mask or whatever. Usually my boyfriend has extra masks, but I like these ones, so I just carry these with me. The next thing I have here is my card holder from YSL, and I've been using this non-stop. I haven't changed out of it. And the other day I thought about changing out of it, and I was like, no, you know what, I really like this, so I'm going to keep on using this until I get tired of it. But if you guys want a little comparison on all kinds of types of card holders, I'll link that video down below for you guys. The next thing I have in here is the mask that I used yesterday. I need to throw that out. But I do have a wet ones in here. This is just something I like to have at all times. For my smaller bags, I do carry the little single-use ones, but for my bigger bags like this one, this can fit in here like no problem. It's like, it doesn't take up any room at all. And the next thing that I have here is my 6-ring key holder. My boyfriend got this for me many years ago for, I think it was our anniversary or Valentine's Day. And also a little air tag just in case, because at times I do lose these keys. Like, I'll throw them somewhere, I'll set them down, and I'll forget where they are, so that's really, really bad. I even dropped acetone on it, right there, and it took off some of the print. Oh my gosh, I was so sad when that happened because I barely had just gotten it, and the buttons really worn down. But I'm going to use this until the wheels fall off, you guys. I do have another key ring holder from Chanel that I'm waiting to use, because this one is still good. Like, I don't want to like replace this if this is still okay to use, because it's kind of like a waste, and I don't want to be like switching out my key holder. So I'm just going to wait till this is no longer usable, and then I can go ahead and move on to the next one. The next thing I have in here is some hand lotion. This is the Texture Riche one from Chanel. I have a bunch of these actually. I'm kind of obsessed with them. I have the Le Lift. I have 2 of these, and I have the regular Le Creme Main, and I actually prefer the Texture Riche a little bit more. It has a more thicker consistency to it, and then I like to put this one on at night sometimes because this has the, you know, anti-aging properties for your hands. But the only downside is that when you start to run out, you kind of have to, like, you know, keep it at home and like have it sitting upside down, so that way all the products can go to the bottom, because the application is kind of like funny. I have some eyelash wands in here because I do have lash extensions, so I like to keep these in all my bags just in case I need to touch up my lashes. I have a Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede little perfume, a small one. It's so cute and tiny. My friend gave me a little holiday gift set one year. I do have those that are like slimmer. I have a couple of them, but I think this just is way better. It's smaller and it doesn't take up any room. I think this is probably one of my most favorite scents from Jo Malone. It smells really, really good. And the next thing I have here is the Aesop Resurrection Rinse-Free Hand Mist, and this is a little hand sanitizer spray, but I like this because the spray is so finely mist. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that? It's not splotchy at all, and I like that you can use this on surfaces, because that's what the girl told me, and that kind of sold me on it. Because if you go eat at restaurants and stuff, and let's say if I ran out of wet ones, I can't really wipe down the table or anything, but if I have the spray, I just spray a little bit, let it dry, and then, you know, your surface is sanitized. I really like the scent of this. I think it's the mandarin. I love anything that's citrusy, floral. Those are my like favorite notes. And then I got the matching hand lotion as well. I don't even know why I got this because I have so many hand lotions I need to go through, as you guys saw. But I really do like the scent of this, so I got that. And then I have an extra battery pack for my camera because usually when I have this bag, I always carry my camera because there's so much room in here. And also my phone fits in there really nicely, and I really like my phone case right now. I just love the shade of it. I got this off of Amazon, so if you guys want this phone case, I'll link it down below for you guys. I just have a regular 12 Pro, not the Max or anything. It's just like the regular one. The next thing I have here is this cutie, and this is the Toiletry 15. I don't know if you guys can still find this. My friend actually got one thanks to a really nice sales associate that my other friend knew, so she was able to help her get one of these. I think they're removed off the website. I'm not too sure, but I think you can still get them if you have a really good sales associate. So definitely look for one if you guys can, because I think these are so handy to have in bags like this where there's a lot of room and you want to keep some things a little bit more, you know, concealed and also like organized. Usually in this pouch when I was on Invisalign, I would carry like my extra toothbrush, my case, my toothpaste, some floss and stuff. But now that I'm off of Invisalign, I only wear it at nighttime. I put my toiletries in here because it just fits more nicely. So I have a bunch of different kinds. I have tampons, panty liners, and pads in here just in case I need one or a friend needs one or somebody in the bathroom. You never know when people are like in the bathroom asking if anyone has any toiletries. And then I also like to keep my Advil in here as well because if you're on your period, you might need a little bit of Advil for those cramps or whatever it is. I just like to put them in these little Ziplocs because it's cuter, thinner, and you can always refill this up. And if you guys see my other What's My Bags, you guys know I like to carry Advil. When my mom first got this for me, I remember she told me that she saved so much money on it. It was like, I think 40% off over there in, I think she got it in Spain, I want to say. Can't remember, it's been a few years, but I'm so happy that she got this for me. I do have the Toiletry 26, but I keep that in my work bag because it's a lot bigger. But this is really great to put in bags like this where you want to just put, you know, your toiletries in it, your makeup, your anything. Like I had toothbrush in here and stuff like that when I was on Invisalign. And the last thing I have in here is this little key pouch, and I like to keep it actually attached to the D-ring in here. But let me take it out real quick so I can show you guys what's inside. Nothing crazy in here, but I like to keep this attached in there at all times. But in here, I have a little razor blade little thing. Let me give you guys a little close up. This little thing, my friend actually gave this to me, and it's super handy for those days where I want to, you know, open up a package if I'm at my post office or if I have a little loose thread on my shirt. I like to have this on hand, so I'm really happy she gave me that. And then I also have this little Hello Kitty comb in here. So cute, and it folds down so it takes up literally no room. Just a little simple comb just in case I want to comb my hair or fix my hair part or something. And then I just have like my medical card in here and some other little gift cards and stuff. So nothing too crazy is in here, but having it hooked on my D-ring just makes it finding these items easier. Like the little razor, I can't really find that if it's at the very bottom. Same thing with the comb because they're so thin. I might not be able to find it if I have too many things in here. But that is everything in this bag. I don't carry anything in the zipper back here, just the little lock that's back here, right? Is this the lock? Yeah. Oh yeah, the lock is back here. And I think the keys as well. I feel like there's so much going on with this bag with the charms, the luggage tag. I don't know if I want to put the lock on there, but I have it in case I do want to use it. But that is it to my bag and what's inside. So let's go ahead and move on to the giveaway. I do want to give away this Clover Sack little organizer, and this fits your SPEEDY 25, and I'm not sure what else it can fit, but if you have other bags that's similar in shape and size, it might fit in that bag as well. But if you guys are watching this video, I'm assuming you guys want this bag or you have this bag, so maybe this will be a great addition to have for you if you don't have one already. This is the organizer. It has a lot of compartments, and it also comes with a little middle divider that you can snap in. And if you don't want this, you can take it out, but I find that these are really handy. See, when you snap them on each side, that's what it looks like. So many compartments, and you guys can really organize your bags. And there's outer pockets as well. I definitely do want to give this to somebody that will use it, and this is brand new. Like, I have the packaging and everything, and I just opened it just to show you guys. But if you guys are interested in this giveaway, I'll leave all the rules right here on the screen for you guys. Make sure you follow every single one, because otherwise you will be disqualified from the giveaway. So good luck to everyone on this giveaway, and thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys are interested in more giveaways, then make sure you guys watch all my Vlogmas videos, because I have some more stuff coming your way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone!